Nairobi is hard.
Hello.
Nairobi is hard and expensive. Wewe.
Ai.
Hapana.
Ndio niko hapa hivi chini sasa. Safari imekuwa refu but I'm good.
Wewe.
Yes.
What you define?
Let me call you here.
What you define? What's wrong?
Unarudi nini hapa?
Niko sawa. Rada sawa.
Nini? Check you mjoro.
No, I'm a guest here. I'm
What do
guest.
you have here?
I'm guest.
Can I
It's gonna bag.
What do you have in that bag? Let me see what you have in that bag.
It's my belongings. I'm from far.
He's even new in this area.
Yeah, yes.
Are you sure?
You know this area?
I'm new.
You sure this bag is okay?
It's okay. It's mine. It only has
Are you sure?
You know, my belongings.
Oh, where? Who are you looking for?
I've come to look for Odhiambo. I've come to Odhiambo's place.
Oh.
Odhiambo.
Oh,
the big black guy. He's my cousin. He's my cousin.
Namjua.
He's my cousin.
You know him?
Sure, it's my nigga.
Yeah.
Nakuja.
Yeah.
Hey, where?
Sasa tutumite.
Nakuja.
You guys are going to call him.
Yeah,
Simama hapo,
I'm
simama hapo
calling in a
tunakam.
few, kidogo.
Yeah.
So hey.
Hapo.
So you guys are going to take me to call me back, eh?
Wewe tumekwambia ngoje hapa tumoka like.
Sawa. Hey? Na siku hizi wanaitwa na Wakenya kwamba wanafanya kazi pamoja. Hey.